How to activate H&M gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can activate the H&M gift card online. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now, first things first, you want to head into the H&M website. Once you're on the website, you can see here, you can simply search in H&M and you'll get the link to the website www.hm.com. So there, what you want to do is now you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the left hand side of the screen, and once you do so, you want to tap on the customer service option there. Once you tap on customer service, you should be headed to this page here where you want to scroll down below and you want to see for the option that says gift card. You can see your gift card option. You want to tap on it, and once you tap on gift card here, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you'll be able to see the option that says activate or reload. You want to tap on activate or reload, and now here scroll down, let it load up, and here you'll be able to go ahead and activate your card. You can simply enter in your gift card number and your gift card pin and then continue and then go ahead and activate it. So this way you can activate the H&M gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.